Every Tuesday, you can get yourself a copy of our newspaper, iDiskiTV, for absolutely free. Every shop right in the Gauteng province, you just go there, get yourself the paper. And on Fridays, the paper will be available across the nation on our website, iDiskiTimes.co.za. Amantombazana, dum dum dum. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting blockbuster transfers for Amazulu as they sign a lot of players, Tendo Mukumela and so many others. But what stands out is that Dumisani Zuma from Kaizer Chiefs has been given a 5-year contract by Amazulu. Another one who we think is very big, who scored 2 penalty goals for Malawi during this period, the international window. Even at AFCON, he scored 3 goals for Malawi, but inexplicably, he wasn't playing for Orlando Pirates. He's now an official player, Amazulu. Those 2 transfers, Junior. Gabadinho Mhango, Dumisani Zuma. Did you expect those for Amazulu? Yes, sir.
Trucks.
Drizzy.
Justice.
Drizzy.
Boni visitor now.
Yes, sir.
Ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, asikhuluma these players, 2 of them abachita bazibhola. Unfortunately, I believe many background kulomfana uzomidlala irole enkulu yabo. Very exciting ukuthi bathole enye opportunity South Africa. Big up to chairman Amazulu, not charging people, giving them platform. Star players. Dumisani Zung, I believe many people. There's nothing much I in terms of team benefit something, but every time when he was getting a chance, bombo no tipodelas. And pick up Jobangisho for chairman just Kapaltin star player. Their players was Selegonando Pirates. I don't think they come close to him. Schoolman previous top goal scorer in the Pirates TSTV Premiership number. If I share, if I'm not mistaken,
I think it was him. Peter Sharolin.
Yes,
number 1.
3 years ago. So a player, even international, who perform, even in Manga Betlapina Geko, Chelang strengthen us psychologically. Picard, Pirates and Gladys Afcon is got 3 goals. So I'm fetching Kulego. These players, Amazulu, they got 2 big fish.
Yeah, let's look at the risk factor, because I think even though Orlando Pirates hasn't spoken about it, Mhango hasn't spoken about it, they're not saying anything. I think there was an off-the-field problem. Zuma, Chiefs has spoken. So we know about Zuma. I think there is a problem with Mhango. There was a problem. We know there was this bill, good night club, he didn't pay. Maybe there was even more to it. There's a risk factor for Amazulu. You're saying those are good signings because they are good players, but there's a risk factor here in accepting those 2 players.
True. Repetition in our consequences and current contracts. Obviously, banama clause. Whatever you want, you're not going to get it. You listen to them. You option your favor, bona. So anything is also clause for 2. Now the 5 years, and anything with the 5 years, we're not going to give you a signing fee. Probably come. They can say whatever. And we are in the situation. Right in the risk, mara. The chairman will chance thanks to that. Going forward now, truly speaking, yes, there is a behavior, but teams now, I plead to them. My plea to them, they must be patient. You'll chase them until when? I'm not promoting Lentens about cheetah. Because Mangabe wins you one of Funutonki teammate, I'm a teammate. Mabagia Meleba Nabani was part to Lumpanu Dumisani Zungu and Akabe fell everywhere. And a Benzaga often.
Yeah.
So, be risky, be Utavai, Nambe Sangmangelu Kazachi, the Migas Catesita, and I was part behind. So, I'm a chances because Toluta Dali Begawa, Bamangan, done a big mele, a show up a gio. So, Capatino Man, or Shapile, but I believe me no fatu, no megas, technical team a parrots in a sandla, or to Capatino Man, a clean and Sammy Mangabeguna, disciplinary, whatever issues, upon the one appeal. As I answer logo gune Santa Mabange with you top goal scorer 3 years ago, Babuye is following season statements release a coach using power. You must double up your effort. Bese pe elemental computer nabo. as a professional player, psychologically uzokulimaza, uzogcina wenza nezinto wrong. So for me inkuleko Gabadinho noma ngezwe lesikandani lesi sebill, yes bayibiza ngebehavior whatever ukuthi nakhona identi image club ngoba bathi Gabadinho Orlando Pirates but bengalungiseka. So both of them as going just to ku-rapper nje ukuthi Amazulu have got two big fish, but these players, their future will determine if ngelo current going forward. Now, currently, starting by today, ngokuthi manje bafuna anbazi nabo. Their parents given a second chance. This guy if you have a couple kwenzana. So everybody is osaba manje. Anything can happen. So apart the Balkan ball. I'm sure iDiskiTV Premiership is a benefit. Amazulu now will compete. I'm a star player. This Zuma, I don't think Amazulu konmuntu azocompete naye. Ngizwile nje kancane nomulenga ngathi is no longer going because iruma namangizwa ngihleli. So it will be, I'm sure a combination the coach if izokwazi ukuhlanganisa bayibathethe.
All right, I was about to ask you that as the last question. Ukuthi Brendan Schroeder, can he be able to assemble a team considering ukuthi they released so many players? Abomemela, Umulenga. We'll talk about Umulenga as a player engakusiyona Amazulu for now until they say he's back. They've lost so many players. Kolam Lambo, Pule X-Teen as well. Now, yeah, if he's gonna come back, we'll only know when they announce it. For now, announce ukuthi he's not part of that. They are joining Amazulu, those players. Tendo Mukumela from Cape Town Spurs, Cape Town, and there's also these two players, and there are other players as well who are low profile. Do you think Amazulu will be a force with Zuma, Dumisani Zuma, no Gabadinho Mhango? Can they be maybe a top 5 team?
I think releasing so many players, especially experienced players, I'm not too sure whether it's a budget problem. Ngoba abanye njengo Memela, bengamela. X-Teen never been given a platform. Paul Weller's, I believe, apparently Mfana Mela's Paul is unfortunate. Bemela ngabamnikile chance na manje. Makambe mhlambe nje bokamba upini. Threaten ngimbonile kusolo fu believer ukuthi kumele silidlale. Ndo anganika ngesikhathi eside kakhulu. Ne support bengekho management in terms of paying players. I believe udlalile role. I-coach alama players express team yakhe most ya flow yabo fluid. So I think ukuthi babathole these two players they need game bengakhonakala angazi ukuthi chairman bengacabanga kanjani ukuthi mhlambe some players bafaka transfer labambili is supposed to bekumele aqabanga indlela game to because the team kule with these two players they cannot do with those youngsters okhuluma ngabo abafana laba they high no profile low profile and akusabantu Amazulu remember ngiyezwa abahlali basho ukuthi nayi chairman nayi thathithi Amazulu is a big high profile team in terms of historic club na yakudala and bana this thing yokuthi bane hope yokuthi now they will come all right, but coming all right you need a proper coach, you need to be supportive, you need proper players. Besama ama player na coach against right, but now releasing these players without ukubona ama engelonke, we're relying on these two players, still we're going to struggle.
All right, there you go. That's Amazulu. Looking forward to the next season, of course, with a lot of additions and exclusions in that club. Of course, in the comment section, you can talk about these two players, Dumisani Zuma and Gabadinho Mhango. What do you think about them? Do you think they do well at Amazulu, or Amazulu are signing up for bigger problems that they did not anticipate with those two? Whatever you think about them. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.